Hey guys, it's Larry, and today we are going to be putting together our planner for the week of June 11th through the 17th, and I have these gorgeous lemons. These are from Victoria Thatcher, and I'll have a link for her below. These are free printable stickers. I download her file, I will bring it into my Cricut machine, and I turn them into stickers, and that's what these are. And I personalize them with some of my social media stuff and printed out some extra lemons, a little bit of her washi, and we are going to set up our planner for next week. So go ahead and grab a cocktail, get a chair, and let's have some fun. If you are a subscriber, thank you for your patience. It's been a while, and my apologies. My father was in the hospital for quite some time, so I got behind in filming, but we're going to get all caught up, and we're going to have our regular planning videos every Friday. If you are not a subscriber, why don't you subscribe? Hey, come on, join the fun. We do this every Friday. I have a plan with me video for the week ahead, and then throughout the week there are mixed in other kinds of do-it-yourself videos. So let's get started, guys. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I have my Glamour Girl Classic Happy Planner pages out for June 11th through the 17th. I have my free printable planner stickers from Victoria Thatcher, and I love these lemons. And since it's heating up where I'm at here in Northern California, I thought these would be perfect for some sunshiny kind of fun. And I went through my washi stash really quick, and I didn't see anything that really caught my eye that went with this, so I might not use any washi. But again, pull up a chair, get your planner, get some planner stickers, and let's get started. I'm going to play some music while we have some fun. Okay guys, well, I think this is it. Tons of white space. I love it. I love the bright yellow. It's vibrant, it's happy, it's sunshine, it's lemons, of course, and it's June. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Don't forget there's a link below for where you can download these free printable stickers from Victoria Thatcher. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please do subscribe. I've got so much good stuff coming up. I've just got to get caught up. I've recorded tons of videos. I have a series coming up on how to do your Cricut stickers. For those of you who are not sure how to resize maybe the Victoria Thatcher stickers or some of the other free printables that you'll see on my website. In fact, if you haven't been there, check out my website and join the mailing list, because I do have free printable stuff that I create, but primarily I have resources for others. There are so many great creators out there that are giving us access to their artwork and their designs. So I do 99% of my planner layouts with free printable stickers. So check that out. I also have a series coming up on best practices for using your planners functionally. So if you're looking for some organizational tips and tricks, I've got some of that coming. And I'm also going to share a little mini series on how I use multiple planners to organize my work. So my work for my job, my work for doing my YouTube videos and my social media, and then just, you know, kind of my everyday planner. So I use 3 planners typically. One is a journal. So I'm going to put that whole series together for you. And I also have one coming up on Q&A. So I've had a lot of comments over the last couple of months and lots of questions. So I'm going to actually sit down and do a Q&A coming up too. So if you have questions that you would like some answers to, please leave those in the comments. I would love to address those in upcoming Q&A. So I can't wait to get back in touch again and get more involved and get my calendar caught up. My planner it was naked for a while there, and it really felt odd, and I truly am so reliant on my planner that when my planner's not decorated and functional and have all my stuff together, it really does me feel unorganized. So if you feel that way too, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, leave a question, and any recommendations you have for upcoming videos. We got a whole bunch of good stuff coming up, so can't wait to see you and talk to you soon. But please remember to always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. I will see you soon, guys. Thanks again. Bye.